Hi, my name is Cameron Schaefer. I'm going to be screen recording my screen, demonstrating how to open up the VirtualBox and type in some basic commands for my CS-105 Computing Tools class. So first off, I already have the Oracle VM VirtualBox installed on my desktop. We open it up here to the manager, which is really cool, so you can have multiple different virtual machines and operating systems installed onto your computer, which the virtual machines are really cool. Here we have all my information that I had to put in to set this up. So all we're gonna have to do here, since I already set it all up, is just power it on by hitting start. And then it should just start powering up right here. It takes a minute to boot up, so just bear with me. So we can just go ahead and minimize this now that we have the VirtualBox running. So it should be, yeah, here we go. So now it's running. I don't know how to pronounce it, so bear with me. Ubuntu, which is a Linux system, which allows me to virtually operate with the Linux operating system in this mini window. Don't mind these texts. This is a very good system. I like it. The coding system in it through the terminal is very, very easy to understand. I didn't really have any problems setting up the virtual machine or anything, unlike most of my classmates. Surprisingly, it all went pretty smoothly. I didn't struggle at all. Download time did take a minute, but nothing too out of ordinary. So as you can see, I've already started messing around with the VirtualBox a little bit, set up a new background, favorite anime, One Piece for both. So we're just going to go down here to the show applications button, and it'll show us a bunch of these mini little icons for different things. I haven't really experimented with them yet much, but we're going to be using this one, terminal. So it'll bring up this cool little coding screen, and it's already all set up. Linux is really nice like that. Just a lot of free use like we've learned in the instructions. And just like in the instructions, I'm just going to follow and demonstrate to you how to, that I know how to do it. So first off, we could just type in a little bit of gibberish and hit enter, and obviously that's not going to work, so that's pretty cool. And then there's the basic commands like date. Really simple, really easy to use. We can even figure out and trace back where the date came from by typing in the echo of the path. Mine's really long for some reason, but it works, so I'm not going to complain too much. So it's really cool. You can even use the up arrow like they tell you in the instructions to just go up, which saves a lot of time when writing longer codes. So yeah, that's basically it. I know how to do it, and it's very easy to use, had no problems, and I am excited to get started with the next thing. So I'm just going to hit Control-D to delete that, and if we open that up, I should just have a whole entirely new thing of code, even though it still remembers it, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, so I guess I could just put exit. Yeah, nice. Alright, anyways, that is all. I'm going to go ahead and power it off and get some sleep. It is currently 2 a.m. So, yep, that college schedule. Alright, adios.